Why do we need a snow brush?
Because, you know, 2 days ago it was 60 and thunderstorming outside. We were scared. Edit that out. And now there's... How many centimeters, Mitch?
Do you love the snow? Do you feel at home? Do you feel at home? Do not throw it at the camera.
Schedules are at the desk.
Hell yeah.
As well.
You ever just feel like you don't have enough of the house merch? Well, right now, you guys can save 15% if you use coupon code WSOB.
Link somewhere on the screen.
Yeah, somewhere. I don't know. Packy's doing all the editing.
Okay, little car update. I went 151 over.
I didn't bowl good.
Okay, Nick.
What's it like being plus?
I went plus 146.
Michelle.
I don't want to talk about it.
Michelle.
Okay,
say something. He doesn't want to talk.
Well, yeah. So it's like a mixed car right now. Okay.
No, I'm good, dude.
We need. He's
good.
good. He's good. We need. How was the spare game today?
It was good. My spare game's always good, people. Okay. Not always good, but it's been good.
Who needs spares when you're two-handed? Also, we're going to lunch. We'll be back in a couple hours. 5 more games. Top 16 make the cut. I think Nick's probably in it right now. I'm in it right now. And we need to stay in it so we can bowl for monies and titles and trophies.
I just want this mac and cheese in my belly.
And mac and cheese in my belly too, right? Meow.
option for myself anymore because I get in trouble.
Nick, tell him.
So Kevin Williams is pretty clutch at spare shooting. His plus, you know, when you miss a makeable and then you get a split, that's an even. Kevin's plus is like 3 right now because he's a great spare shooter.
That means Kevin made 3 more splits than he did miss spares.
He missed 6 makeables but made 9 splits.
But he's still plus
I
3.
have 0 A-baggers! That's all that matters.
But he's plus 3 on the split spare conversion rate.
Yeah, such an important stat. Proud of that one.
Wait, so is that the most important stat?
No! It's 8-bagger ratio. I am 0 of 0.
I also have 0 8-baggers.
That's a lie, dude.
Mitch,
You're such
tell
a
him.
lie.
Tell him.
You do have an 8-bagger.
Get out.
What?
Didn't you have the front 8 the third game?
Front.
You shot 270 the first game of the tournament.
No, I front 7 and then 5 pinned.
I will say this. EJ Tackett started off both blocks with some fire. He goes like front 5, 0 spare sheet, and then this first block he goes
4.
front 4, 0 spare, strike 0 spare, strike 6 spare. And after his like 6 spare, I like looked at him and kind of was like giving him shit, and I got it on a 3-bagger. And I said, I'm never making fun of you again. So it was a good day. It was a good day. Turn this light off.
Packy made the cut. Nick came closer. He's in the World Championship cut. Mitch, monster set the last block to keep himself close. You're in the overall number, right?
Yeah.
Just out. Okay, so he's in the overall number. Kevin, we're looking for some cuts the next 2 weeks.
Dude, 6. Way to single me out.
I made
Chick-fil-A.
$3 off.
Guys.
I need 100 nuggets.
Kev will be leading tomorrow.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Can I get a name to start order?
Oh, Nick, sorry.
Kevin.
Nick?
Yeah.